What's up, everyone? This is Wayne. Today I'm doing a talking video on the Bissell 3-in-1 stick vacuum. Now, as you can see, like I said, we'll get used again next weekend. So, definitely how much I expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit because you see how much I expected this machine. And I know what exactly. I mean, I do like this machine because you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost quite a times already. You can see, I mean, this is a model 2030, it is released in 2020, which for me, it's something else a little bit because you can see, I mean, one thing I do like about it, you can take this off, like you can see, it's definitely only expected this thing, like you can see, but this one you can see, you can take this handle off, you can see, but that's how much expected this thing, like it just definitely looks pretty nice by my hand. So it will get used again then the next weekend as well. So I know since the thing, like I said, this thing got used every Mondays and Thursdays, but since it got used on Mondays and since it got used on Tuesday and Thursday exactly, which it's whatever you see because you see how much really expected this thing exactly because if I put my knee like that, lock the thing back and forth moving, I mean you can see it's definitely not that expected. You can see because if I put it like here, it locks the thing like before, which it's definitely how I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice on my hand. So it will be used again next weekend as well, so you know I expected this thing like you just tell because this machine right here, I do like the same one. And I mean think about it guys, you can see how much I expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already, but it's definitely how much expected this machine's actually, which is definitely looks very nice. So it will get used again next weekend. And you know what, this is a pretty nice looking machine this way, and the thing will be used again next weekend.